You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.